So for the first project, I'm actually just starting out with some foam board from Dollar Tree, and I want to make a watermelon. These are makeup brush cleaners that look like watermelon, and so I grabbed two of them so I could do a whole watermelon. And the purpose of the foam board is just to give it some structure so I can make like an open watermelon for my tier tray. So I just cut down a circle of the foam board. You could use whatever you have. Any kind of like cardboard, something like that would work well for this. I just want like a perfect circle that I can put these on. The little makeup brush cleaners have like suction cups on the back of them. I guess for the purpose that they're supposed to be used for. I just put some hot glue on the back of those so I could glue that to the foam board. And if you wanted to do half, or you can only find one of these, that would be really cute too. You would have like a slice of watermelon. But for this one, I wanted to do a full watermelon to do a cute little display for my watermelon tier tray. I was able to find lots of watermelon items at Dollar Tree for this tier tray. Now, I don't want you to see the foam board on the back, so I'm just going to use some Dollar Tree rope and some hot glue and line that to make it look a little bit better and less like a foam board and makeup brush cleaner. You never know if you go every aisle at Dollar Tree what you're going to find. They have great things like watermelon and stuff like that in so many different items that you would not expect, and you'll be seeing a lot of those in this video. I just burn off the fuzzies and then continue to glue that down all the way around to make it a solid piece. I do want to stand it up. I'm just going to use a wood block for that. This is one of those Jenga blocks from Five Below, the giant Jenga blocks. It doesn't matter, just some way to stand it up for your tier tray if you're going to be using it for display. So a really kind of whimsical, unexpected watermelon. It turned out really cute though. It's nice and tall. I'm going to put it towards the back of my tier tray here in my kitchen. Now for the next DIY, I'm just using a wood crate from the Dollar Tree, and I'm just going to do a simple stain on that with some antique wax by Waverly. This is going to be actually a decorative piece and a functional piece for my tier tray. Since this is in my kitchen, I want it to be able to hold napkins, and I found some really cute watermelon napkins at Dollar Tree. So I thought we would make a really cute little like watermelon bin that we can use to display those. And anytime I have wood like this, I do like to stain it or even stain it with paint to bring out that beautiful like wood grain and really makes it look a lot better. Since this is going to be a functional piece, I really want it to be stained all over. So I went ahead and did the inside and the bottom, just wiping off all the excess antique wax by Waverly with a paper towel. I'm not going to leave it plain though. I am going to decorate it. I found this really cute watermelon sign for $1 at Dollar General. And it has like a tassel on it and wood beads. I don't need any of that, so I'm just going to go ahead and remove that by pulling those out of the back. But it has a really cute little watermelon image on it that I thought would be cute for this box. Dollar Tree also has lots of watermelon and like fruit themed summer signs. This one is a slice that says Hello Summer, so I thought that was perfect. I am just going to use a little bit of wood glue to attach that to my sign and a little bit of hot glue just to keep it on. And I think this is going to be a really cute little napkin dispenser for my tier tray. Really simple, but really pretty. Now they have these like fruit themed napkins every year, every summer at Dollar Tree. I love the watermelon ones. I've made so many cute things with these. But these are actually going to be functional, and we're going to use them as napkins for my kitchen. So a decorative piece, but also functional, especially on my kitchen counter. I'm just going to sit those right back here.